Hello. In this video we are going to demonstrate how to manage your membership database. We shall cover navigating the members list, features of the member list, editing a member record, membership history, unapproved members. For the purpose of this video we will be using the membership database from the Senior British League, so let's get started. Once we have logged into the administration system, we select Membership from the menu. Notice the sub-menu options. We will discuss each of these tabs in this and other tutorial videos. First, let's take a look at Current. The Current tab presents you with a list of all members in your membership database. The records are presented in groups of 25 per page, and you can page through them easily by clicking the paging icons at the bottom of the list. If you would like to see the list with fewer or more records per page, use the Members per Page drop-down. The system will remember your preference the next time you use the members list, so select a number you are comfortable with. There are a number of filters available to you to make it easier to find members by certain criteria. To find all junior members, click the Age Group filter and select Junior. Notice the system has returned 156 junior members. Let's further filter this list now by just looking for girls. Select the Gender filter and select Female. You have now filtered your membership from 1,325 to 18 in just a few clicks. You have lots of filters available to you. You can use them in any combination, and some filters allow you to select multiple options. Let's extend our search now to include cadets. Notice that we are now filtering for cadets and juniors, but also we are still applying our filter for female members. Now we have a complex set of filters selected, we can make use of the Saved Searches functionality. If there is a combination of filters you use regularly that require multiple selections, you can save them as a single saved filter to make recalling them really easy in future sessions. To use the feature, click Save Filters and give your search a name. In this instance, we will call our search Female Juniors and Cadets. Click Save. Note that our saved search is now selected and our members list still reflects our chosen filters. This feature is very useful for running regular searches for unpaid members. Another useful feature of the members list is the ability to print a list of members based on the current selected filters. If you wanted a complete list of your members, you could simply print from an unfiltered list. Right now we have a list of female junior and cadet players, and by clicking print we can print the details for each of these members. Click on the print button. A pop-up window will appear. The window will tell you how many records it will print. Plus it will allow you to specify which fields you are printing by ticking the boxes. You can then control the order the fields will be printed by dragging and dropping the fields. When you are ready to print, click Print and the system will prepare a new window with the content you have requested. Note that you can control the font and size of printed text by using the drop-downs. Note you are printing this document from your web browser, and all web browsers have different options built into them, so we suggest you review the print options for your browser for the best results. When you have printed the document, simply close the window and you'll be back at the members list. Let's clear the filters we currently have selected by clicking Clear Filters, and let's search for a specific member. You can search by first name, family name, IM number, email address, even postcode. Type search data criteria into the member search box and click Search. If you know the IM number of your member, prefix the number with a hash and the system will return just their record. Membership Manager displays the members list alphabetically showing the member's family name first, followed by their first name, but you can change this by clicking the Options tab. The system will remember your preference, so choose the one you are most comfortable with. You will also notice that the option Use Change Tracking is turned on. This feature will be discussed when we edit a record, but if you want to turn this feature off, just return to the Options tab and disable the option. So now we know how to navigate our members list, let's look at a few of the basic features of the list view. From the list, you can delete a member. Clicking delete will prompt you to confirm your action and then remove the relationship between your organisation and the member. If the member is no longer playing in your league, you should delete the member and they will move into the recycled members list in case you ever need to add them back. Should you ever need to add the member back into your members list, simply go to the Recycle tab and recover the member. At a glance, you can see the IM number for a member. Notice the prefix will help you identify what kind of ETTA member they are without opening their record. If you see the notification triangle, this means that the member record is incomplete in some way. Incomplete can mean many things, from being unlicensed to not having an email address on their record, or simply not having specified their ethnicity or marketing permissions. This feature very quickly allows you to see which member records require attention. You can also see a basic summary of the member without the need to download their entire membership record from the ETTA. Simply click on the summary icon and you will see basic biographic details for your member. You can also click on the email icon, which will open up the email editor and will auto-populate the recipient with the member email address. If the member does not have an email address, then the icon will not be visible. Emailing members is covered in another tutorial video. Having email addresses for all your members is very useful information, so this provides a very easy way to see those members who do not have an email address, so you can chase them up and update their record. Finally, a feature of the members list is multi-select check boxes. You can select multiple members at once and then apply the same action to all the records in one action. Note the tab changes to Actions. You can now select from the multiple actions list. For example, deleting a number of records in one go is very simple. You can also use the multiple actions functionality to mark multiple members as paid quickly, which is very useful. Select the members you wish to mark as paid and then select Purchase Membership. Select the type of membership you wish to give all your members and then click Apply. The system will then mark each member you have selected as paid. Editing a member record is easy. Simply click Edit. The membership record is split into sections, which you can navigate through by clicking the tabs. The Basic Details tab contains all of the biographic details held for your member. If you need to update a piece of information, such as their mobile telephone number, we simply place our cursor in the text box and provide the new information. The system is very robust. Fields marked with a red star are compulsory, and fields have a dynamic validation, meaning you can't enter a postcode in an incorrect format. If you make a change to some information, the system will track the changes and prompt you to save the record. You can disable change tracking from the Options tab on the members list. We can click Save at any time whilst editing the record, and changes will be saved, and we will remain editing the record. The Membership tab shows you the membership number, their age group, as well as their membership type and status. The Membership Subscriptions field set shows you the member's subscription history. This information is read-only. Dealing with member payments is discussed in another tutorial video. The Roles tab shows you what roles the member has. A role is a title such as Chairman or Secretary. Management of roles is discussed in another tutorial video. The Organisations tab shows you a visual representation of all relationships your member has with other affiliated organisations. The Permissions tab determines if the member is an administrator of your organisation, and if so, what access they have to all elements of the Table Tennis 365 platform. Management of permissions is discussed in another tutorial video. Ethnicity, disability and marketing information is important to the ETTA, which is why we have made it very easy to keep this information up to date. Simply select appropriate options from the drop-down boxes. The History tab provides a full historic transaction of every change made to the member record. You can see the date and time of each change, and also who changed the record. Clicking on the plus sign will open up the archive and show you what information has changed on that update, allowing you to easily undo changes to a member record which were factually incorrect. The History tab keeps a full transactional audit of all changes made to the member record for its lifetime. Once we have made the changes to the membership record, we need to click Save and Close. Clicking Save updates the record in your membership database and also sends the updates to the ETTA. The next time anyone from the ETTA or another organisation views the member record, they will see the updates you have made, even if they were to look at a record 10 seconds after you clicked Update. Now we have made changes to a record, we can look at the history of our entire membership database. Click on the History submenu. Notice we get a list similar to the members list, but the entries are limited to the change history. We can see at a glance which membership records have been updated, and a description of the change. Clicking the View icon will open the member record and show a full history of the change, including who made the change. Finally, let's take a quick look at the Not Approved list. If you have a member that is in this list, it means action is required. Unapproved members are people who have been associated with your organisation by a third party, and we therefore need your authorisation before they can be treated as a member of your organisation. If you see someone in this list that is a member of your organisation, click the Approve icon. If you see someone who is definitely not a current member of your organisation, you should click the Decline icon. That concludes this membership tutorial. We hope you have found it informative. We recommend you watch the other membership tutorial videos to gain a full understanding of the Membership Manager. Thank you.